missed the hot pot, man. Actually, tell you, I tell you, I don't like him for her. I feel like she can do better, but whatever. Wait, is Ruben and Jimmy still talk like that?
We invited him to Ruben's birthday.
Cách này ra rồi.
You didn't know it? You didn't know it?
And Ruben asked them, like, they're getting a place and they want to get one together. And then Jimmy was like, oh, we're trying to get an Airbnb. Do you want to join us? And then I guess today they're going to book it. They messaged Ruben and was like, oh, well, Jimmy messaged Ruben and was like, we're looking for a place now, like, so we're going to get a head count. Like, are you going to get this with us? And Ruben said, yeah, me and Ian are going to make it. And then Jimmy said, okay, I'll let you know when we have space. So that was like weird. And we don't know if he like said it weird.
I think no, I think he just does it weird. He doesn't mean things. He just says things really weird. Cause he be offending me half the time. But yeah, no, I think they said they have 12 people. This is a lot.